In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the 3DX9 underscore 42 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. Open a browser and simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and wait for that to be downloaded into your Windows 11. Once done, click on the folder icon. Click on, wait for this to load first. Then right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Scroll down to the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are 32-bit, go to SYS WoW 64. Right click and then select paste. Click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again, search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Once it has been downloaded, simply double-click on that and install the Visual C++ Redistributable into your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.